The first thing that you need to do is to open CapCut, and at the bottom simply tap on Me. Now once you get to your profile, what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on Pro at the top next to your name, and then simply tap on Manage in the top right corner. Now from here you can see your plans, so you can simply tap on Cancel Subscription in order to cancel your CapCut Pro. Now if you can't do this from here, what you're gonna have to do is to either open the App Store or Google Play Store, and then you just have to go to your profile and then go to your subscription on your iCloud or your Google account. So on iCloud you just have to tap on your account at the top, and then after that you just have to go to subscriptions, and we'll find here CapCut. So you're gonna have to tap on it, and at the bottom you have the cancel button. So basically that's all you have to do in order to cancel a CapCut Pro subscription.